Fulham Gael, learn Irish. Psalm 52, Psalm 22. Shan Shulam O'Frady, the Lord is my shepherd. Neil Cal Autumn, there is nothing I shall want. Turin Shay, Imoli May, he makes me lie down, on Meanloch Brewer Glass, in green pastures. Sholan Shay Lahaish, Nindishki, May Consuvnish, he leads me beside the still waters, but was declared unfreesul, and restores my soul. Turin Shay May, Erna Connery Carter, he leads me along the paths of righteousness, our son Anima, for his name's sake. Mastre Glantiv Duvshaka Fain Muhriel, even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, ne bui dum and talk, I will fear no evil, my tar farum, for thou art with me. The water of the frostin, thy rod and thy staff, the seed mugochis, they comfort me. Lager on board a Mianisha, thou preparest the table for me, but was mass carja and aid, a brahnu autumn, in the presence of my enemies. Olier go frasad m'chaun, thou anointest my head with oil, Lena go brewers m'corn, my cup overflows. Laid O Clenidus, Augustan m'consumum, surely your kindness and mercy will follow me, fadus biome, all the days of my life. Lonokit ejalak J, and I shall dwell in the house of the Lord, by fiamma heel, forever. Amen. Psalm 52. She an Shulam O'Frady, Neil Calorum, Curran she Lee May Meanloch Glass. Sholan she Lahaish Nishki May Consuvnish, August Verdum Frisu. Turin she May Erna Connery Carter son Anima. Mastre Glantiv Duvshaka Fain Muhriel, ne bui dum and talk, my tar farm. The water August the frost and the seed mugochis. Lager on board a Mianisha, August Mars Carja Native Brahnu Autumn, Olier go frasat m'chaun, Lena go brewers m'corn. They the Chenidis August Arma Consumum, Fadus Bill May, Ronoka de Jalak J, a fiamma heel. Amen. Slan Tamil, bye for now. Panak J. Ort, God bless.